Hello, my wonderful and dear buds, and welcome to a new reaction video. Thank you for being here. And as you can tell, we have a new lighting setting. Do let me know how do you like it and what do you think about it in the comments below. I always welcome your feedback, you know that. And today we have a watch along. We have a film that is a comedy and a romance, which is, and I'm anticipating it, and from what I heard of it, it's going to be a light movie, which is something I'm in dire need of after the intense movies that I've been watching with you guys. So I'm pretty excited, and I'm hoping that it's gonna be a light-hearted, joyful, fun movie. It's Student of the Year. It's been released back in 2012, and it was like the debut of Alia Bhatt, Siddharth Malhotra, and Varun Dhawan, and I like all of them. So I'm so excited to watch their launch. I'm looking forward to having fun, light-hearted time. Hopefully, I'll enjoy the story as well. It's of course directed by Karan Johar. If you watching this on YouTube, you're going to be watching a cut-up version due to copyright, of course. If you're interested in having the full experience with me, you can always head to my Patreon for that and some extra perks as well. The links, as always, for my Patreon and social media will be in the description below. And while you're at it, why are you not following me on social media yet? And if you follow me, thank you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. I always appreciate your support. By the way, does the word Dharma have a meaning? Do let me know what it means.
कुछ दिन जिंदगी के ऐसे होते हैं जो हम सालों बाद भी नहीं भूल पाते। वो ऐसा ही एक दिन था, स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर कंपटीशन का आखिरी दिन। हर कंपटीशन की तरह जीत एक ही हुई, पर हम सब कुछ ना कुछ हार गए।
Oh?
लेकिन सबसे बड़ी हार उस दिन हमारे डीन योगेंद्र वशिष्ठ की हुई थी, जिन्होंने 25 साल पहले इस कंपटीशन को शुरू किया था। उस दिन के बाद उन्होंने सबसे दूर अपने लिए एक नई दुनिया बना ली।
Oh, that's a beautiful balcony. Oh, it must have been.
नहीं भूल पाया था उन्हें। हमेशा सोचता कहाँ होंगे, कैसे होंगे।
Yeah, it looks like he gave his full life to this school.
और 10 साल बाद जवाब पाने का मौका मिला।
So it was him narrating.
Hello?
Okay.
Who is this calling so late?
I thought I didn't recognize
There
the
is no
voice.
Dimpy here. Oh, Dimpy. Hi.
Oh, Dean. How bad is he?
Oh no.
सबको बता। ठीक है, मैं सबको बता दूंगा। नहीं, नंबर्स डोंट वरी, वो क्या बोलते हो, फेसबुक से मिल जाएंगे।
I mean, he must have been a great dean that cared, because it's obvious, like the way that he became after he left the school, that the school was his whole life.
And बात भी नहीं हुई थी। फोन तो मैं कर लूंगा, लेकिन इतना सब हो चुका था कि मुझे नहीं लगता सब आएंगे।
I think you'll be mistaken.
Hello? Yeah.
Sudo? How? What happened?
Well, at least they have their contact information still, even if they don't do it often. That's a lovely area. So is this a school? A huge one.
How are you doing?
Sudo?
Hi.
Hey, Jeet, कैसा है?
Oh, that was awkward.
हाय भैया।
Hey, Dimpy, कैसा है?
बस बढ़िया, आप कैसे हो?
बस ठीक।
Hi, people.
Good for him.
Hi.
Wow. This is like a forced reunion, huh?
Oh, why would you say that?
टूट गए थे वो तुम्हारे बैच के प्राइज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन के बाद।
Yeah, what happened?
हर बैच के बिखरे हुए रिश्ते उन्होंने अपने दिल पर ले लिए।
Oh.
तुम्हारा बैच लास्ट था, इसलिए तुम सबको बहुत याद करते थे, खासकर रोहन और अभी को। उन दोनों की हर कामयाबी पर गर्व भी था उन्हें। और
Now I'm very intrigued. What happened?
nice of all of you to come. Very, very critical.
That's really sad.
I have no regrets. मैं स्कूल की हेड चीयरलीडर बनना चाहती थी, तो बन गई। हाँ, एक बात है, काश मेरा रोहन के साथ कुछ हो जाता.
रोहन मैं उसका सबसे बड़ा चमचा जिसे मैं दोस्ती समझ बैठा, लेकिन रोहन का तो एक ही दोस्त है था, रोहन नंदा, निकनेम रो. दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा रॉकस्टार बनना चाहता था वो.
I mean, we can see how he feels about him. Oh, that's Varun. Oh, so he was a singer too? Okay. Okay.
I hated रोहन.
वो भी कोई बहुत बड़ा फैन नहीं था.
Oh,
पता नहीं मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड क्या कर रही थी उसके साथ इतने सालों से.
शनाया.
शनाया सिंघानिया.
oh, that must be Alia. Yeah, it must be Alia. Okay, that's a very nice entry scene. Okay, we get an idea about, of course, it's still too early, but we can gauge what kind of character she was. There's nothing wrong with confidence. There's a difference between confidence and arrogance. Arrogance is not okay. Actually, I'm loving her entry. For her debut, she is oozing confidence. So despite her efforts, she was never his girlfriend.
Hi.
The other girl.
Hi Tanya.
There's someone.
Shania. So.
Jealous a bit, aren't we?
Oh, ये washing machine tip के लिए thank you. तुम्हें जरूरत पड़ेगी.
Okay.
क्या कर रही हो?
रोहन इस टर्म
Okay, you deserved it.
मैं तुम्हें छोड़ दूंगी.
Oh, so she is his girlfriend. She's the one who's good.
I mean,
Okay, so that was not okay, definitely.
I'll see you at school.
She's going easy on him, in fact. I've seen this song. Okay, so that's Siddharth entry, which is a cool entry. I didn't anticipate that Arya would be with Varun, at least at the beginning, because we don't know what will happen yet. I always thought that she would be with Siddharth. She has great chemistry with both of them. Okay, you have a rival in town. Yeah, I love this song. It's so fun. The kind of song that you would like to listen to as you like do house chores, stuff like that. Oh my god. He looks amazing. Gorgeous. She's definitely taking notice. Must have been so special for all of them to debut together. And from the looks of it, they still have like good relationship. I've seen their Coffee with Karen episodes. Wow.
रखवाली के कम पैसे मिलते हैं क्या? इस डब्बे को हटा यहाँ से. अरे तू नहीं सूडो.
Okay, that was a nice. Okay, good. Yeah, stand up to him.
अभिमन्यु.
अभिमन्यु. एक बात ध्यान से सुन. ये मेरी पार्किंग है. क्योंकि क्या है ना, मेरे गाड़ी का एक स्टैंडर्ड है.
तू सही कह रहा है. तेरी गाड़ी एकदम टॉप क्लास है. F360 Spider, 3.6 liter V8 engine, 0 to 100 in 4.3 seconds.
Wow. Typical guy thing.
अपने गांव में मैकेनिक था क्या?
No, it's just about cars.
में वाले.
Oh, good for you.
ये ले, मेरी गाड़ी पार्क कर ले. और ये ले 500 रुपए. अपनी बाइक साफ करा ले.
That is so rude. I don't like his character. He is the one who is going to teach you a lesson. He's not like gonna take anything lying down. And I like how confident.
बच गए? तो रख लेना.
Oh my god. Yeah, I knew it.
स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर कंपटीशन जिसे मैंने 25 साल पहले शुरू किया था. आप में से वो एक ही है जो ये ट्रॉफी का हकदार है. एक ही है जिसकी आगे की पढ़ाई सिर्फ इंटरनेशनल आईवी लीग कॉलेजेस में होगी. एंड टू मोटिवेट यू, प्लीज वेलकम आवर गेस्ट स्पीकर, वन ऑफ इंडियाज लीडिंग बिजनेस टाइकून एंड सेंट ट्रीजा's चीफ ट्रस्टी, मिस्टर अशोक नंदा.
बड़े ढांसू लग रहे तेरे डैड.
It doesn't look like he has a good relationship with his father. He wasn't happy.
मोटिवेशनल स्पीच, हाँ। मैं इस वक्त दो चीजें कर सकता हूँ, या तो आप सबके साथ
Okay, that's another indication. He's great at that too, and he's gonna be a tough competition for Rowan that as well. You better get used to it.
अपनी जगह दिखानी होगी। क्यों अपने रूम में सेटल नहीं हुआ क्या? फील्ड में बड़ा हीरो बन रहा था।
Take that literally.
पिंड लेवल।
पिंड में लड़कों के साथ फुटबॉल खेलता था।
अच्छा, इसलिए इतना रफ खेलते हो?
रफ का पता नहीं, लेकिन मजबूत खेलता हूँ। स्टाइल में कभी कभी मजबूती मार खा जाती है, राइट?
लिसन, पिंड के बेकहम, अकड़ की भी औकात होती है, और इस कॉलेज में वो जगह मेरी है।
You're the last one to talk about arrogance. He's anything but.
See you on the field tomorrow. मेडिकल के बाद।
मेडिकल?
नोटिस बोर्ड पे लिखा है, अंग्रेजी में।
Please have a urine sample delivered to my office before the end of the day.
Yeah, it's a must. I understand.
वो जो नोटिस बोर्ड पे लिखा था यार, मेरा
अबे दुल्हन का क्लोजअप क्या दे रहा है? चल दे। कोच के यहाँ जा रहा हूँ, दे दूंगा।
Why is he not delivering it himself? I hope that they're not up to anything, but it looks like they are.
मेरी बात सुन डिब्बी, ये छोड़ डिब्बी, सुन। हाँ डिब्बी, ऐसा क्यों? यार मुझे क्या पता, मैं तो बॉय हूँ, एफएमएटी थोड़ा ना हूँ। अबे चल पकड़ अपना टीवी देखा कर।
Really? That's crossing the limits. That's so not okay. Oh, he has a nice place. Why are they delivering it to his home?
दिल से धन्यवाद।
Why not at the
गंगा
office?
जल भेज रहा हूँ। अरे वाह, आशा करता हूँ कि आपके घर परिवार को उतना ही पावन करेगा जितना मेरी जिंदगी को किया है। आपका अपना अभिमन्यु सिंह। यार स्वीट छोकरो से गंगा जल भेजा।
गंगा जल?
No, they didn't. Oh no! Oh no! Did she not smell?
तू देव,
Oh no!
ये हरकत तुमने की थी या किसी और का हाथ था इसमें?
फिर खुद ही की होगी ना।
I wonder if he even figure out that the way that they like intercepted him and the shenanigans that they did
50 rounds of the football field. No.
was to exchange the message. Yeah, but he didn't say anything. He couldn't prove it anyway. Yeah, I bet they were surprised when he didn't say anything.
गिरी कर ले, लेकिन दिल का तो था वो सॉफ्टी।
Okay, that's good to hear. He's feeling regret. His conscience started bothering him,
हाँ अभिमन्यु,
which I didn't expect. So that's good.
जरूरत नहीं थी।
जानता हूँ, बिल्कुल जरूरत नहीं थी।
फिर किया क्यों?
मानता कि एक्टिंग कर रहा था, जानना चाहता था कि महान लोग कैसे फील करते हैं।
तू जानता है ना तेरे 2-3 ढीले हैं।
मेरे 2-3 ढीले हैं, तो तेरे तो है ही नहीं।
वेरी फनी। वैसे मेरे बाप को सुन चुका है ना, थोड़ा तो असर पड़ेगा।
यू नो, तेरा बाप पागल नहीं है, बस थोड़ा टेढ़ा। तुझे अपने बाप की इतनी क्यों पड़ी?
बाप की माँ की किसी की नहीं पड़ी।
बहुत पड़ी। उनकी इज्जत कमाना चाहता है।
Yeah,
पर लगता है
that's
तुझे
not
तो
true.
उधार भी नहीं मिला।
वाह वाह, अब तुम माँ बाप के फिलॉसफी में भी एक्सपर्ट हो गया ना।
हो गया हूँ, उनके जाने के बाद।
कहाँ गए छुट्टी पे?
Shoot the dead.
Oh,
तू क्या शॉट दे रहा है?
treats me like him even more. He turned out so great. Okay, another song. She definitely likes to flash her wealth status, but it's obvious that she has depth. They have such great chemistry. Like, she has phenomenal chemistry with both of them. But like, if she starts to fall for Abhi and they became like best of friends, he and Ro, that will drive a serious wedge in the friendship.
तो तुम हो the new boy in school.
ऐसे कह रही से पहले कभी नोटिस नहीं किया।
सिर्फ देखो। नोटिस तो दूर की बात।
अच्छा शना, लेट्स सिट ना। जी कुर्सी।
Okay, I'm liking this banter. And good for you, girl. I love her confidence.
गर्लफ्रेंड है मेरी।
लकी पियो मेरे टाइप की नहीं है।
टक्कर, दोस्ती, प्यार, जेलसी, सब सेम चीज का डेली डोज था। लेकिन हर दूसरे वीकेंड हम सबको मिलता था।
I was going to say that there was a tension between both Ali and Siddharth.
अब अगर मिड टर्म पोल्स हुए
But Dad, I think he is.
Oh my god, even
You?
at dinner.
Yeah.
The business talk never ends.
Exactly. इस घर पे सोचने का काम हमारा है.
I don't like the way his family.
बहुत हो गया. I think
She stayed silent. That's gotta hurt.
हस्बैंड की कंपनी के स्टॉक्स गिर गए. I said to
Okay, we have similar situation here.
solid head darling.
मैं माँ बनने वाली हूँ.
What?
Anything to grab their attention. She obviously doubts that they pay her any attention.
पैसे चाहिए थे.
हाँ जरूर. अंबानी साहब अपने स्विस बैंक अकाउंट से निकाल कर कुछ पैसे दे दीजिए इनको.
गीता तुम भी ना.
कल मैं दे दूंगी बेटा.
What's up with the way that they're treating them?
आज वैसे खाने में तो नमक है ही नहीं. फिर भी चलो ठीक है.
Well, at least he has someone on his side.
No more defensive play. Attack.
They say attack is the best defense, I think.
Attack. Don't be defensive. सीधा कह देते भी पंजाबी.
Here we go. It would be lovely if both of them contribute to the win. Hope he doesn't get injured because that does happen a lot in football, especially with others trying to tackle him, and they'll soon realize that he's a threat. Yeah. Teamwork, that's what I said. That's exactly what I wanted. I called it. They're both bringing victory to the team.
अब किस को निकलेगा ना? एक गले भी नहीं लगूंगा.
Oh, I love that. Because I can feel that Rose's character is gonna evolve. It's gonna be way smoother and better now that they're friends.
ये अभी है. अभी मानो.
नमस्ते बेटा.
Oh,
डैड पूछ रहे थे तुम्हारे बारे में.
मेरे बारे में.
हाँ.
तू बीमार है?
that's sad actually. I know he was joking, but like it tells a lot. It's so telling.
डैड ये मेरा दोस्त.
Abhimanyu, right?
हेलो सर.
I guess he's the kind of person who would like to be in the know about everything.
आज तो हम सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं. रोहन की वजह से आज हम मैच जीत गए.
रोहन की वजह से. Really? यकीन नहीं हो रहा.
डैड किसी की तारीफ नहीं करते.
Oh, that's really sad.
बिल्कुल नहीं.
तारीफ पाने का इतना ही.
Well, he just told you that he did something
फिर बात करेंगे.
and he didn't even acknowledge it, and he said, I can't believe it. He didn't even support him.
तुम बताओ अभिमन्यु. स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर ट्रॉफी जीतना चाहोगे?
ट्रॉफी तो मेरी है सर. बस घर पहुंचने की देरी है.
You see? ये हुई ना बात.
He's actually treating him better than he treats his own son.
आप ही की तरह छोटे से.
Yeah, it's obvious that he looks up to him.
पे एडमिशन मिला मुझे.
I love your confidence, my
It reminds him of him.
वरना आजकल तो हर कोई बस हाथ में गिटार लेकर दुनिया बदलना.
Why can't you support him in what he loves to do? He doesn't have to take your path.
जिंदगी में कुछ बनूं या ना बनूं, आपसे बेहतर डैड जरूर बनूंगा.
Oh wow! I actually love that he said that, because if his father is not aware yet of what he's doing, most probably that would be enough to make him take a stand and just like review the way that he's treating his son and what he's saying. I think that Abhi noticed, because he looks like the kind of guy that is observant and smart and like emotionally intelligent. I think they'll both grow with this friendship. Oh, loving this place. Wow, so beautiful. Look at the architecture and the view. I'm very much interested in architecture, especially this kind of architecture. It's so my vibe.
मुझे भी.
Okay, now don't be a distraction. Oh. What are you doing, you guys? Yeah, that was bound to happen. Well, you deserved it. I hope he doesn't become like a bad influence on Abby. Oh no, don't. Of course they do. Of course they do it. I don't like racing. Unnecessary risk. It's not worth it. Many terrible things happened, but let's not talk about anything terrible watching such a movie. He did it again. That is so disrespectful and inconsiderate of her. If you're not careful, you're gonna lose her. You have to be worthy of her. Aw, he caught that.
तू शनाया से प्यार करता है? Confused हूँ.
Yeah, like I noticed, he's so observant.
प्यार के बारे में. गे क्या? हाँ आजा आजा. अच्छा सिमी ग्रेवाल टाइप के क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है. शनाया से प्यार करता है. पिंकू.
Oh, look at this house.